Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are well. And today I am going to discuss a new topic from your NCERT book Science, that is Chapter 6, Changes Around Us. Before going to that topic, Changes Around Us, now we will come to know what is change. Okay? What is change? What is change? Change is any difference that is actually in the shape of or size of an object that is known as change. So any difference in the size, shape of an object is known as change. You understood this point? I hope you understood. And changes that can be both reversible or irreversible. Now we will discuss this point, what is reversible and what is irreversible changes. Before going to that topic, I will write the definition of change. Okay? So we can write that any difference in the size or shape of an object is referred as change. Okay? Now, I hope you understood this point. Now, students, every day we come across different types of changes. Turning day into night, then night into day, then rising or setting of sun and moon, then also changing of climate, changing of temperature, also some other changes which are taking place in our surroundings, okay, melting of ice and a lot more. And these changes occurs in a minute or that may take a long time, you know, okay. So those changes, some changes which cannot be seen, even these are very fast. Due to this, that cannot be noticeable. Okay, I hope you understood this point. Okay, students. Next, I am rubbing this point. What is change? As I have already mentioned, the changes are mainly comprises of two types. Changes. One is reversible, another is irreversible. Okay? One is reversible, another is irreversible. Now, what is reversible changes? Now, under reversible changes, we can write that reversible changes are those changes that can be reversed by one or more method. So, we can say that reversible changes can be reversed back by its original form by one or more method, by any physical method or chemical method. Okay? Next point, we can say that reversible changes are there is a change in physical property, shape and size of a material in case of reversible changes, and also mostly a new substance is not formed in case of reversible changes. Okay, and we can take some example of reversible changes such as blowing a balloon. Okay, then again you can say some more example like folding of paper, then elongation of spring. Okay, these are the example of reversible changes. Now comes to the point that I want to write in the board under reversible changes. So under reversible changes, first point should be it can be reversed back. Reversed back by one or more method. Okay? This is the first point. Second point, you can write that there is change in physical properties, shape and size of that material. Okay? You understood the point? Next, you can say some example. You can write first example such as blowing a balloon. Then again you can write also folding of paper. Okay, folding of paper. Then also elongation of spring. Okay, so these are example of reversible changes. Okay, I hope you understood this. Again I am telling what is reversible changes. Reversible changes, it can be reversed back by one or more method. By one or more method it can be reversed back. And there is change in physical properties, shape and size of the material. Okay? And another point I have forget to write in the board, that no new substance is formed during reversible changes. Okay? You should remember this point, that in case of reversible changes, no new substance is formed. Okay? And this is not a permanent change. But in case of irreversible changes, we can say that this irreversible changes is a permanent change. Now I am rubbing this portion reversible, and I am going to write some points for irreversible changes. Okay? For irreversible changes, I want to write some more points here. So here in the first point, we can write that the change is permanent. Okay? The change is permanent. Okay? Change is permanent and cannot be undone by any physical or chemical means. Okay? Next point, I want to write that video is too hazy. No need to worry about this. This video will be uploaded in your YouTube channel. So second point, I just want to write in the above portion, as in the below portion you are not able to see the all points. Okay? So here under irreversible changes, second point you can write a new substance is formed. A new substance is formed in case of irreversible changes. Okay, a new substance is formed in case of irreversible changes. Understood this point? And you can also take some example of these. So many examples are there, such as burning of candle, also burning of paper. These are all comes under irreversible changes. So here I am writing the example, that is burning of paper, also burning of candle. And you can also tell one thing, that for cooking there are many ingredients which are being used, such as many vegetables, then spices, and they all are being used to make a proper dish. But after a dish is being made, we cannot get back into its raw form. Okay, so this is also an example of irreversible changes. Okay, I hope you understood. Yes, chemical mean chemical method, any chemical method. So I hope you understood the two changes, that is, one is reversible, another is irreversible changes that is taking place in our daily life. Okay, in the next class I will discuss about some more changes, that is contraction and expansion, which are more important, and I will also discuss these changes with states of matter. Okay, some more changes I will discuss in the next class, students. Okay, goodbye.